Judy Allen here with some of my special peeps, Jennifer and Zoe, who helped me put the retreat together each quarter, really is what we do. So we just wanted to tell you a little bit about the upcoming summer retreat and show you what we did in the spring retreat, just to give you an idea and feel for it. But first, I'm going to put people on the spot and ask them a question. So Zoe, what's your favorite part of the retreat?
The 3D project.
The 3D project? Okay. Jennifer, what's your favorite?
Winning bingo at the same time. I don't know. I think it's more has to do with crafting with your fellow crafters.
Right.
Or card, in this case, card making.
Right.
I don't know. I think it's really that fellowship you get. Being able to create beautiful cards, both simple and a little challenging, and laugh with a bunch of people and enjoy. Company.
All right. Does anyone remember how many cards we create?
18.
All right.
I counted all last time.
Yes, we did. We make 18 cards, a combination of simple to more complicated. It's all about giving you a variety of experience, and we do a lot of fun folds. We do different techniques that we'd like to incorporate in as well, too. So, just want to start bringing the share. So she's absolutely right. We have like 4 different sessions. 3 of them are card making, and the 4th session is making 3D projects, which Zoe really likes. This last time we actually did an early morning. It wasn't part of the retreat per se. It was just a volunteer thing. We didn't make any project. We just impromptu made something that morning. We'll look at seeing doing that again. I can tell you I wasn't excited about creating at 8:30 in the morning, but we did it, right? We did it. So we had to keep in mind that other people are in different time zones. We had somebody in it was 6:30 a.m. for them. So anyway, it was pretty cool.
I remember it being early for them.
It was early. So, it's 18 cards. We make the 3D project, and then it's all about bingo in the evening. We played 5 games of bingo, and 4 of them were regular bingo, and the 5th one is blackout bingo. So it's always crazy fun. Jennifer's right. She has won, I think, every time, even when last time we didn't think she was going to win. And I commented about it because Francine wasn't present. But she ended up winning. So there you go.
Yeah, you just mentioned Francine and I'll win.
Yes.
There's somewhere else that they wasn't even tied to that. Just mention Francine's name and I want to be there. I like to tell her. Carry a picture with her every time we go play.
There you go. So tons of fun. You can mark your calendar. It's July 30th. Registration will begin July 1st. Meanwhile, we're going to take you down to the hands and show you what we're talking about, what we do at the retreat, all right? We'll show you some cards. Just to give you an example, this is a variety of cards that we made with fun folds and everything. And you get a PDF tutorial, as well as we do a YouTube video as well. It's all just for the retreat folks. So when coming around, so this is the spring one. We don't have the ones made for this. We wouldn't show you anyway yet. This gives you an idea for what we did for the springtime. So in the early morning project, we actually had made this note card holder, and we had done some samples of making just some note cards itself, and we actually finished it and we remade it later and actually decorated. But we sort of just talked about it, and everybody just made one of the folders here, and we talked about some of the shortcuts and so forth and so on. So that's just sort of what we did. It wasn't anything that we gave out materials for. And the other thing is we created a 3D project with a tool caddy. So if you missed out on the tool caddy, you'll have to let me know if you're interested in that. It's not necessarily on the agenda right now. We haven't firmed everything up, but just to give you an idea. This retreat will have one session that's going to be Christmas in July. It'll be the 3rd session. Everything we'll be doing will be coming through the new catalog, the new annual catalog, the new mini catalog that comes out July 1st, because we'll have our stuff created by then, and this celebration. So the mail-outs, I don't remember what the mail-out is right now. I think it's like July 20th. I'd have to check that date. So, with that, what do you think, gang? Any other questions? Anything that you'd like to see us do this time, Zoe? Or Jennifer? No, Jennifer, is there anything you'd like to see us do?
More giggles. Never go long, more giggles. More laughing, more shenanigans.
There's a lot of shenanigans.
And I think
That's what it
You
is.
never go wrong with shenanigans.
You never go wrong with shenanigans. You never go wrong with too many giggles either. All right, with that, then we're going to sign out, giving you just a little bit of information about what the retreat's all about. It is all day long, and I have to tell you, there is never a dull moment. We do have a lunch break, and we do have a dinner break, and that's the only breaks we have. All right? So we look forward to hopefully seeing you and you joining in with us. Registration begins July 1st, and it'll be posted on Facebook and Instagram. So there you go. All right. Look forward to seeing you. Bye.
Bye.